Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to fix flash on Snapchat. For that, open the Snapchat application first. Once you open the Snapchat application, you will be directed at this camera piece. Now here, how you can fix a flash not working is, you need to make sure that your flash is turned on. So for that, what you have to do is you can tap on the flash icon on the top right corner. There's the flash icon. You tap that. With that, the back camera flash will turn on. Now if you click a picture, the flash will work. So this is for the back camera. Now if you want to click a picture to the front, you just swipe the camera to the front first. So now for the front, the option is you can adjust the flash as you want. For that, tap on the flash icon on the top right again. Once you tap that, you will have this flash option available. Now if you tap on that setting, you will be able to choose the flashlight. That is, you want to focus on your face or you want a brighter light. Likewise, you will have the neutral, warm and cool tone available for the flash for the front camera on Snapchat. This way you will be able to fix your flash and create a better picture. So this is how you can fix the flash not working on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.